And for today's video, for this first part, that is awkward. My Starbucks cup is right there. Let me redo that. Hey guys, it's Arielle. Hey guys, it's Arielle. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I am back with another luxury handbag review for you guys. This is a two-part series. Part one is going to be talking about my most favorite brand in the whole designer universe, and it's none other than Chanel. I have two handbags that I want to review for you guys, but for this part one, it's going to be on the Chanel Boy wallet on chain, and then part two will be on the actual Chanel Boy bag. As usual, I'm doing my disclaimer. This is in no way, shape, or form trying to brag about the things I have or anything like that. I love watching reviews on handbags so that I don't make mistakes in purchasing a handbag that is pointless or anything like that. It's meant to be more informational in case you are looking into this bag. So if you are interested in this video, keep on watching. Alright, let's get into this unboxing. First of all, I super love Chanel. I think she's super iconic and her handbags definitely have value and you could definitely resell all the time and it's going to be always at a really great price. This is what I'm talking about, a true brand you want to invest in. So the bag comes in this box. It has Chanel across. This is the handbag. It looks like the Le Boy bag, but it's just a very smaller version because this is a wallet on chain and it comes with this beautiful gold details or gold hardware chain and gold Chanel emblem right here. Let's talk specifics about the bag. This bag retails for about $2,700 USD without tax. The size of this is about 7.5 across and 4.5 down and 1.5 this way. So you know that this bag is very tiny. Again, the use of this bag, it's a wallet on chain, meaning it's basically a wallet. You don't really want to be putting a lot of things in here. You're not supposed to expect that you could fit a water bottle or anything crazy like that in here. So let's talk about the exterior. It's a chevron lambskin quilted handbag. And this section right here does not unbuckle like the Chanel Boy. This part would unbuckle. This is a button enclosure. And then inside on the top right here, you have a zipper. And this is nice because you could store your coins in here or anything like that. It has one pocket right here. Usually I like to store my cell phone in here. I have the iPhone 11 Pro and it fits really nicely in there. This also has another pocket here that you can again use for coins or lip gloss or anything tiny like that. And then inside you have your card holders. It's about 6 slots right here. And that's pretty much it inside. So as you can see, it's a very tiny bag. This bag I would think is really great for an evening bag, or if you are traveling and you really don't carry anything but your wallet and your cell phone and maybe a lip gloss, this is the go-to bag. I love that it's lightweight. The chain is very lightweight. I think Chanel does a really great job with finding the perfect metal for this bag or any of their bags with chains, because I've noticed with the Chanel's I own, the strap that has the chain is never heavy, and I think that's a great thing because it can be very uncomfortable to wear over time, as like if you're walking down the street or if you're traveling and sightseeing, the bag can weigh you down sometimes, and with Chanel I've never had that problem, so I think that's a really great asset that they have. This bag comes in a lot of different colors, and also they don't only just have the chevron style quilt, they have the normal classic quilted bag for this as well, and you can also get it in a silver hardware, so there's a few options for you. Let's talk cons about it. Like I've mentioned, it is lambskin, so you definitely need to take care of it. It will get scratched, obviously, because it's a softer leather. Another thing you want to be concerned about is depending on where you live, you don't want to put this in an area where it's moist or anything like that because the leather will deteriorate. Other than that, I really don't have any other cons for it. You know, this again is an investment piece. It's a little bit on the higher price point for wallet on chains type of bags because it is Chanel. So when you're thinking about investing in a piece like this, you really want to think again about your usability for it, the purpose of your purchase, to justify really the price of it. And, you know, to really think about what your lifestyle is. If you're a person who's going to carry a lot of things, I don't recommend this bag for you. But if this is a piece that you want to have for an evening bag or, you know, something like that, I highly recommend it. I think it's a really great bag. Again, there's value in a Chanel, so over time, if you decide you don't want it and you want to resell it, for sure there will be a buyer and you can definitely still get your money back from it. There you guys have it on my review for the Le Boy wallet on chain handbag. I hope you guys found it very informational. Let me know down in the comments below if you own this bag, have a bag similar to it. What are your pros and cons? Do you like Chanel? Do you not? Give this video a thumbs up if you found it informational and enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel if you are new, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye. Again, part 2 Chanel Le Boy bag coming soon.